Anil Kumble continues, given the charge, hit in the air, and that's 6. Ricky Ponting has waited enough, has decided he's got to press the pedal, and easily done. Went in with the angle, looking to play on the leg side. I think that was the key to the shot. And he looked to play that one straight, might have struggled. Excellent shot.
Has he gone all the way? Yes, he has. He's taken the aerial route. And Ponting races to his 15 style. He gets to 52 with the second 6.
Absolutely stunning. This man can smash it to all parts. And today he's been a little subdued. And this one, well, he just gives it the full smoke. Has gone a long, long way. Big shout. What about 2 league buys? 6. Just stunning. Backed himself a long way down. So pretty well bowled. It's the slowness of the delivery. Beaten the extension. Just superb.
35th half century for Ricky Ponting. Started off slowly, but now he is gaining momentum in his innings. Nothing wrong with the delivery. Good use of the feet. Had to take the chance. Keep it the kitchen sink. Was in the air for a long time. Cleared it by a distance. Once again in the air. Full red bit on. Jumping but can't get there. Another 6.
It was Verinder Sehwag, and he'll need a step ladder down there to have any chance of taking that. Even though he closed the face on this and didn't quite get a good chunk of it, he got enough of it. Just see at the point of impact, he just closes the base, gets it near the bottom of the blade. 2 6s in this over.
Again over the top. Good strike and very clean and very long.
Gotta love it. Cricket watchers around the world seeing Ricky Ponting stepping up a gear. That's in the slot. The length is the key there. Right in the zone for him to go through with that. Beautiful finish. Nice little punch from the bottom hand. 6. 6 isn't incredible. No 4s, but 4 6s.
And look at this for his execution of a shot. Transfer of body weight right into the shot and the direction where he wanted to hit it. And it goes into the stands. And will this one go all the way? It does too. It's raining 6ers here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium.
Certainly is. Doesn't want to deal in 4s. He's just dealing in 6s. That is the 5th one he's hit. Not going along the carpet today. He's not satisfied with that. He has gone right over the top again. And the crowd are in danger. He's peppering it in there. That is beautiful to watch.
Ricky Ponting is quite used to this. They hit it.
Matches have gone against these two teams. In the air, in the gap, and it's gone all the way, is it? Seems like it. ABJ Prakash will have another look, but to me it looked like it was just landing on that advertising hoarding straight up.
Let's have a close look here. Land, please. Oh, that's gone. So Ponting doesn't get his first boundary 4 of the day. I don't know what he's got in that bat, Sanjay, but it's working.
Well, it's a bat that cannot hit the boundaries, but he's got the first 4 of his innings. How often has that happened? First 4 after 6 6s. You've seen the funny side of it. I wonder the Indians will see it.
I don't think they will. It's not very amusing out there if the Indian captain feels it or bowler.
Given the charge, it's gone up in the air. Nobody there to save that. Another reconfirmation needed by AB Jayaprakash before he can make the signal. The arms go up in the air. I thought that would be the second four, but it isn't. It's the 7-6. 3:38 for 2.